welcome back to Sissy Spaces. Today's video is a 3-day clean with me. I have about 8 tasks I need to complete over the next 3 days, and I would love for you to join me. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. So let's get started. As you can see from my intro, I live in a master plan community with a very active homeowners association. Before they cite me for these dried shrubs, my first of 8 tasks is to replace them. While I was at Lowe's purchasing new shrubs, my oldest son disposed of the old ones. So all I had to do when I returned home was plant the new ones. If you watch my spring front yard refresh video, you've seen my planting process. I'm no gardener, but I do have a little experience in planting shrubs. If you didn't watch my front yard refresh video, go back and check it out. I'll have it linked in my description box. I needed to replace 6 dried shrubs, but only purchased 5. So I figured I would replant some of these existing perennials in that area. Now these perennials are dependable performers and they grow back every year. This was an easy and quick process because the holes were already there, and also my husband plans to blow off the walkway this evening. Here I'm pointing at the new shrubs I planted. By the way, please support my channel by watching this video to the end. My next task is to swap out my youngest son's desk for the side table located here. The desk was too wide for the space in my son's room, but it fit perfectly in the walkway off the foyer. This side table also was pretty light, but that desk, on the other hand, that's another story. After removing everything off the side table, I remember we had a lot of miscellaneous items in the drawers. Later, I'll go through these items and declutter and organize them and place them in the new desk drawers. As I stated before, carrying this side table upstairs to my youngest son's room wasn't difficult at all, and I loved the way he organized it. My oldest son is helping me put the desk in place. I absolutely love this piece. I purchased it from HOMEGoods, and it is a desk, but I'm going to use it as a side table. It comes with 3 drawers and outlets, and there are 2 HDMI ports as well. It's wider and longer than my original side table, which I love because now it gives me more space for decor. Now that the piece is in place, I need to declutter and organize the drawers. There were a lot of brochures and electronics, and some of the items I had to trash. For the items I did retain, they fit perfectly in the drawers. As you can see, we have cell phone and stylus boxes. You see, whenever we purchase electronics, we retain the packaging and the receipts for at least 120 days. This allows us to return it without any issues that occur within that 90 to 120 day period. Does anyone else do this? Some of the items which had multiples, such as phone chargers and power adapters, I stored in the office as well as the exercise hobby room. I figure it would be easily accessible in those areas as well. Also keep several portable chargers charged at all times in these drawers. I don't want to lose power to our phones, as we've experienced in the past during a terrible storm, and they're occurring more frequently than usual. After replacing my decor piece, here's the finished product. I absolutely love this desk. Two tasks down, and here's the third, emptying and wiping down this china cabinet we use as a dresser. My fourth task is to clean, organize, and inventory the fridge. You see, later today I plan to run to Sam's and Walmart. There are a few family staples I need to replace, and because groceries are so expensive, today we are only replacing our favorite food items. 2 weeks ago, I did an entire video on cleaning this fridge. So today I'm only wiping down the shelves and the containers located in the drawers. If you didn't see that video, at the end of this video, please go back and check it out. I'll have it linked in my description box. I'm back from Sam's and Walmart, and I'm stocking my fridge. And as I said earlier, groceries are so expensive. I'm disgusted at how much I spent on a few items today. Have you noticed the rise in grocery prices, or is it just me? Max loves carrots and celery, but I forgot to purchase his carrots today. I decided to line his carrot containers and pick up some carrots next week. He has plenty of chopped celery to last until then. Now that the fridge is clean, restocked, and organized, we're starting on our fifth task for today, cleaning the appliances. I'm only using Dawn dish detergent mixed with water and a microfiber cloth to wipe them down, and then using a dry microfiber cloth to dry it off. I wipe down my oven after each use. This prevents grease and food from building up. I also do this because a clean oven, it actually cooks more efficiently, and it makes your food taste better, and it uses less energy. I love the controls on this oven, especially the pictures for the season. I'm aware fall starts on September 23rd, but I'm changing my summer picture to fall early because when I start decorating for Halloween in a few weeks, I want to change the picture to pumpkins. Wiping down my kitchen counters and my eat-in table wasn't on my list of tasks to complete today, but I want to wipe down these counters, especially my pop-up outlet. Crumbs get into this thing and it is so difficult to get them out, so I have to stay on top of it. use this door instead of the front door daily to enter and exit our home, so it gets pretty dirty. I want to wipe the glass as well as the door handle and door, as it was filthy today. After finishing our 6th task of wiping down the door to the garage, my 7th task is to wash my microfiber cloths and dish towels. If you use microfiber cloths, it's important to wash them correctly. I wash my microfiber cloths in warm water because they get pretty soiled. Also, I avoid using dryer sheets and using high heat settings. My 8th and final task of the day is cleaning my walls, baseboards, doors, furniture, and wall hangings in my bedroom. Although it's my last task of the day, I still need to dry and fold my microfiber cloths and dish towels, so please stick around for that as well. I'm using this Zep Foam wall cleaner, which I used last week in my Extreme Clean With Me video. I love this stuff. It's much easier to use compared to what I was using in the past, which was a mixture of water, Dawn dish detergent, and a spray bottle. You see, Zep dries quickly, and it doesn't leave streaks as opposed to my homemade cleaner, and a little goes a long way. I told you guys last week that when cleaning your walls, remove your wall hangings. Well, look at this. I don't even take my own advice. The last time I moved this fireplace and cleaned behind it was the week before Mother's Day, and I'm surprised today to see that it's not as bad as I thought it would be. My plan for the future is to have this fireplace mounted to the wall, but I want to make sure I'm still able to clean behind it. I want to also clean behind this china cabinet. I hadn't moved it in a while and forgot how heavy it was. I was sore for the next few days after doing this. I'm also on the lookout for some new chairs to replace these. My oldest son can use these in his bedroom. As hubby and I age, we need chairs we can easily get out of. Now that the walls and baseboards are clean, I need to vacuum, put my microfiber cloths and dish towels in the dryer, and wipe down my bedroom door and furniture. Moving these nightstands back was much easier than moving that china cabinet. But anyway, a while back I said I like not having a bed frame. Well, I'm starting to change my mind, and I blame it on my sister. She's great at decorating and is constantly giving me tips on how to style my home. And I must admit, she missed her calling, because that girl can decorate a home, and she's great at interior design. My plan today is to only wash my microfiber cloths and dish towels. So after loading them in the dryer, I want to dry out my soap dispenser and my door to my washer. I also leave the door open overnight to allow it to dry. This prevents a buildup of mold, and by leaving the door open, the fresh air will cause the water to evaporate faster and will ensure your clothes smell fresher longer. I purchased this 36-inch mirror from Sam's about 2 years ago for $39. They still sell it, but it's now $59.98. Now that my microfiber cloths and dish towels are dry, I can finish my last task for the day. For those that are new to my channel, I like to clean my lint trap after each use and fold my clothes on the ironing board in the family room. It gets pretty warm in the laundry room, and that shelf is just too high. After folding my microfiber cloths and dish towels and returning the laundry basket to the laundry room, I want to organize my dish towel drawer. Also, as you can see, my youngest son is sweeping the family room with a Swifter. That wasn't on my list today, but any help I can get is appreciated. If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.